When there are so many audio products on the market, the competition is, of course, very fierce, and you would think that under this kind of market pressure, companies will try really hard to manufacture the best products just to survive. So you wouldn't need to worry too much about choosing which product to purchase. Well, that seems like it, but it's not really the truth. Not every company has a qualified or excellent audio engineer or product designer or a good marketing team. So even if the competition is so fierce, most of the company just can't get it right and always come up making awful earbuds and selling them really cheap. So you still need to do some amount of research to know what kind of audio product to choose when you want to invest some decent money. So to make your job easier, with our long years of experience of using and trying all kinds of earbuds from different brands, we have chosen FiiTii HiFiPods as one of the very capable options that you definitely should consider. We'll talk about it, starting with the design. A round metal built earphone case with a satisfying click to open and close. The edges are polished with these pretty silver lines, and that increases the aesthetic design to a really great extent. This unique design can also be a decor item just by leaving it on a desktop, decorating the place. It's not the smallest case out there, but it can easily fit any normal pocket. Inside is a very neutral gray color with earphones magnetically placed in. Earbuds are glossy finished plastic, which makes it really light. It only weighs 5.5 grams each, while the charging case is 85 grams. The shape design is very subtle. These little curvatures across its body makes it very comfortable to wear, and at the same time keeps it very tight and firm. Along with its light weight, the experience wearing it is simply wonderful. Light, firm, and comfortable, and this is the one thing I like the most about this pair of earphones. Moving to the next part, it has got all the useful features packed very well. First of all, the noise cancelling. It's equipped with 6 microphones to pick up most of the frequencies and can effectively reduce it to a very large extent, which is 40 decibels at most. It also supports wind noise reduction, so you don't need to worry about using it in a windy day or riding a bike. With its built-in algorithm, it also reduces the surrounding noise while making a phone call, making the voice much more clear even in very noisy environments. It uses Bluetooth 5.2 and supports SBC, AAC, and APT-X codecs for its connection. SBC and AAC is pretty common, but APT-X usually doesn't come with normal earphones, and it's said that it can improve the sound quality to a great extent. We'll talk about it when we talk about sound quality later. Going back to the Bluetooth connectivity, the connection is very steady. Even in some really crowded places like subway station, it still worked perfectly and consistently, and connection range was up to as far as 10 meters. And the next thing is what sets it apart from most of the other competition distinctly, which is battery life. Charging case is with 1000 mAh battery, and it has a crazy 70 hours of battery life together with the case. The earbuds itself provides 7 hours and the charging case provides 63 hours, which is a lifesaver if you're someone who always forget to charge the earphone in time. Just charging once at night before going to bed can get it running for around a week. It's rated IPX7. It means that you can fully submerge the earphone 1 meter under the water for half an hour and it can still function normally. But the rating only includes the earbuds. The charging case doesn't have any IP rating. Gotta keep that in mind. It also comes with low latency mode that you can turn on to get an extremely low latency that can help you a lot in your gaming. And you can just tap these touch buttons to activate it. I couldn't feel any perceivable latency in my gaming, and the imaging, which the earphone's ability to present where the sound is coming from, was really good, making my gaming so realistic and immersive. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The earphone comes with 2 different driver styles. One is with 1 dynamic driver and 1 balanced armature driver, and the other one is with 1 dynamic driver and 2 balanced armature. I have listened to both of them and they vary a lot in sound quality. 1 dynamic driver and 2 balanced armature version has a much better sound quality than the other. For this reason, I only recommend the 2 balanced armature version. Though it's a little bit more expensive, but the sound quality is way better, and that's definitely a bargain. The bass is the most emphasized section in the frequency response and is also very well tuned. It can go very deep and also has a really good dynamic. It can be smooth in some light tracks and also can be very powerful in some heavy tracks. The treble is very airy and pleasant, and there is no sign of harshness whatsoever. Also, the instruments are very well separated and the vocal is very soft and tender. The overall listening experience is very pleasing and satisfying. For the conclusion, although the price seems a little bit high, but all these key features like battery life, build quality and comfort, they all excel many other products on the market. Sound quality also is very pleasing and beautiful, and all these reasons combined together gives me every bit of reason to recommend it. And also remember, if you're gonna purchase one, you should definitely get 2 balanced armature and 1 dynamic driver version. That has a way better sound quality. So this is it for today, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next video.